Good day to everyone. Today, we will be discussing about expressing fraction to decimal form. So, how do we do that? By simply dividing the numerator by its denominator, and the quotient of that will be the decimal form of the given fraction. To understand that further, let's have an example. So let's try 1/4. What will be its decimal form? So since expressing fraction to decimal form involves division, we will change this one first into division. So first, let's identify what will be our dividend and what will be our divisor. So dividend first. What will be our dividend? 1 or 4? If your answer is 1, therefore you are correct. So obviously now, 4 will be our divisor. So since we know already our dividend and divisor, we can now proceed to division. We can now divide. 1 divided by 4, the answer is 0. 0 times 4, the answer is 0. And then 1 minus 0, the answer is 1. Since we have remainder, we will add 0. By doing that, add decimal point on top of it. And then bring down 0. So 10 divided by 4, the answer is 2. 2 times 4, the answer is 8. So 10 minus 8, the answer is 2. Since we still have remainder, add another 0. But this time, we will no longer add decimal point because we already have it. So bring down 0. So 20 divided by 4, the answer is 5. 5 times 4, the answer is 20. 20 minus 20, the answer is 0. Since the remainder now is already 0, we have now the quotient 0.25. Therefore, 1/4 is equal to 0.25. So let's have another one. 2/9. What will be its decimal form? So of course, change this one into division. So we will write, identify now what will be our dividend and what will be our divisor. If 2 is your dividend, then you are correct. So 9 our divisor. There you have it. So divide now. 2 divided by 9, the answer is 0. 0 times 9, the answer is still 0. 2 minus 0, the answer is 2. So we have remainder, add 0. By doing that, what we will going to add on top? It is decimal point. So bring down 0. 20 divided by 9, the answer is 2. 2 times 9, the answer is 18. And then 20 minus 18, the answer is 2. So since we have remainder, add another 0. And then bring down. So 20 divided by 9, the answer is still 2. 2 times 9, the answer is 18. So 20 minus 18, the answer is 2. Have you noticed something? This number here is just the same as this number. So I can say this is repeating. So we will stop the solving, or we will stop the process. We will end there, because if we will continue to solve this one, the answer will be infinite 2. And there will be no ending, because this is a repeating decimal. So instead of writing 2 or an infinite 2, we can write 3 dots, or also called as ellipses. This will indicate that the decimal number is a repeating decimal. Or you can write also 0.2 and write a vinculum on top of 2, because number 2 is our repeating decimal. So therefore, 2 over 9 is equal to 0.2 with vinculum. Let's have now our last example. What if the fraction is 1 and 2/5? Do you know what you call this kind of fraction? Yes, this is a mixed fraction. So, how do we work on that? How can we express this one into decimal form? In dealing with this kind of problem, change this one first into improper fraction. So, let's find what will be its denominator and what will be its numerator. So we will first find the numerator. How to do that? First, multiply its denominator to its whole number. So this is multiply. After that, add the numerator. So 5 times 1 is equal to 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. So therefore, 7 now will be our numerator. But how about for denominator? The denominator will be the same. So since 5 is our denominator here, so we still have 5 as the denominator. So therefore, 1 and 2/5 is equal to 7/5. So we will write this one 7/5. So we will try now to find what will be its decimal form. So we will just do the same as what we have done earlier. So next, let's identify what is our dividend and what is our divisor. So what is our dividend now? Yes, it is 7. So our divisor is 5. So therefore, we can now divide 7 divided by 5. The answer is 1. 1 times 5, the answer is 5. So what's next? Yes, you're right, subtraction. So 7 minus 5, the answer is 2. So if we have remainder, what should be done next? Of course, add 0. And after? Yes, add decimal. So bring down 0. 20 divided by 5, the answer is 4. 4 times 5, the answer is 20. So 20 minus 20, the answer is 0. Since 0 is our remainder, therefore 7/5 is equivalent to 1.4. Very good. Since you know already how to express fraction to decimal form, let's have an exercise. Now, you try this. What will be the decimal form of 1/6, 2/3, and 2 3/4? Write your answer on the comment below. Thank you for watching.